in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth speakers to your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select Bluetooth and devices on the left panel, and then on the right side, select the Add Device option for devices at the top. Make sure your speakers are powered up as well as discoverable on your network, and then proceed to select Bluetooth, and then just follow through with the on-screen wizard, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.